Face side, next side, those side, face side, next side.
She can make a slap.
Yeah. Hot. Yeah. Nigga. Hot. RatK, nigga. Fully on this 2-3, back the fuck up. Ain't spare eyes, we gon' kill him if he run up. Catch him on that block standing there, we gon' leave him stuck. We threw the ghost of fully top, niggas better duck. Bitch shaking hella ass, but I want a payment. Don't freaks creep up, leave him on the pavement. Bustin' fully A, got the crowd shaking. Come through haze and you cook like some fucking bacon. Walk down creep, we gon' leave him there. My first drill, I was clapping, I was never scared. Last nigga got spark, we put him in the air. Hit the bitch from the back, pulling on her hair. Hit the bitch from the back, got her screaming hot. Goofy nigga froze, so he took his Glock. When I spin it, I don't freeze, bitch, I drop shots. Bounce out for both legs, tryna leave him box. Rim bitch, you told her, put me in a song. I'm bouncing out with 2-3, you know this bitch chrome. I catch her out, I smoke her out and send that bitch home. Round with this fully A, tryna hit his dome. Fully A, that bitch get the glitching. Watch out, get back, that's that top of hissing. Fully A and leave his dome missing. Walk up close on the drill, tryna tap his biscuit. Nigga, walk up close on the drill, tryna tap his biscuit. Nigga, hot.
I was begging on one knee, broke him off for 4 ways. Last time we hit the heights with 3 Glocks and 1 A. So baby roast him, tryna beat them niggas block with this K. Last drill, Tony almost got left on his face. 2K, no NBA, I'm so 235K. Younger got caught in the back streets and got his ass spanked. I'm a saucy young nigga, don't gotta lie about my age. That can't fuck with my hoe, shout out Miss Pretty and Pay. Got the drop from the bitch, blitz that shit same day. First get yanking Nick, try to rip that nigga face. Caught him in that fishbowl, yelling go, it's a chase. 5-0, flick them lights, 22 gon' get away.
Junior Heroin, acting like I had him getting low. Been through 3 times, so 22 to spit some more. That can't pose style is coming, ass younger, bitch, you know. Score really 62, why they lying about the score? I don't take the high serious, call all they do is make songs. Been through that bitch plenty of times, stop acting like we don't. TC pop baby juice, almost sent that nigga home. 2 fullies, 1 Drake, slide the gang, I'm getting on. Big 3 guys stood over and they took that nigga soul. Pick that nigga to the floor, nigga, shout out Big Bro. Free vibe, free 30, free roll, free skull. And I ain't worried about Lil Rip, cause I heard that nigga told.
RatK, all rats, one guy, nigga. 235K, yeah, 10, what's up, RatK, man. Roy, free KC. Free killing.